Hello everyone, welcome to Joseph IT again, your technology entertainer. Today I'm going to show you how to convert your WAV file to mp3 online as well as on offline easily. As you all know that WAV file is bigger in size and often we need to make it smaller without losing the quality. So simply follow me and I will show you how to do it. First of all, I have this file. As you can see, this is WAV file. This is 56 MB in size and the length of this file is only 5 minutes. Okay, I need to decrease the size of this file. Okay, so to convert it online, I'm going to Google Chrome. On Google, I'm typing WAV to mp3, and the first source that you can see, online audio converter. This is one of the best source to do audio conversions. Simply hit there. Okay, now when it is mp3 selected, click on open files, or you can also drag your files to there. So I'm just going to drag. And as you can see, this is now being uploaded to the system, and after uploading it will be converted. So until it's get uploaded, please wait patiently and watch. Okay, now it is uploaded, and now simply click on convert, and now it is converting to mp3, as you can see, and the conversion is complete. Simply download it. Okay, it is now downloaded. I'm opening the folder. Okay, now this is the file. So if you can remember, the file size was 59 MB. Now it is only 5.16 MB in size. If I show you in detail, now the file size is 5.16 MB. Okay, so that was online, and I'm now going to show you the way offline. Okay, to do it offline, we need a tool called Format Factory. It is one of the most useful tools to convert files. If you don't know how to download and install it, simply check the video from the end screen and from the description too. So I'm opening it. Okay, now I'm just simply going to drag it to there, and it's asking me to choose the format that I'm trying to convert it with. Now simply click on mp3, and you can click on OK or OK start. So OK, and then you can start it from here. Okay, it is now done. Okay, now it is done, and the converted file is this. It is 12.9 MB in size. Okay, it's a little bigger from the online conversion, but the quality is still like the original. Okay, and this is how you can convert your WAV bigger file to mp3 smaller size without losing quality online and offline with this video tutorial of Joseph IT. And I hope you really found this video useful and informative. If you really did so, then please hit the like button, share your experience, your suggestions, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. If you have any better idea to do this, then simply write us on the comment box. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.